Hello, my name is Abhishek Kade and today's date is 13 July 2021 and today's video topic name is why string is immutable in Java. So we will discuss in details. Before that, I will explain what is string in Java. So what is string in Java? String is the object which represents the character values of the character values and the in Java we can create string by with the help of three classes. First one is the string class, second one is the string buffer class, and third one is the string builder class. And the java.lang string class is used to create the string in the Java, and we can create string with the help of two ways. First one is by using literals. Example is string s1 in double quote Pune, and with the help of using new keyword, uh, string sb1 is equal to new keyword in bracket ch, and the ch is the array char array ch is equal to in bracket a comma b comma c, and this semicolon, and this is the in this way we can create the string in the Java. String class provides a lot of methods, such as compare method, equal method, split method, to uppercase method, to lowercase method, and to strings, array to string, and strings to array. These methods are provided by string class for the for multiple operations on the strings. And now we will discuss about why string is immutable. And so first one is the what is immutable. Immutable means non changeable. If we create, then we cannot change in its and as name it shows itself. Once we created the string object, then we cannot change its content in by any other ways. This feature is known as the this feature is known as the string immutability. String objects are also called as the immutable because we cannot change in its. And the string buffer objects are totally opposite to the string objects, because we can change its content. The object in which we can change the content of that object is called as the string buffer objects. uh, because of we can make change in that. That's why the string buffer objects are called as uh, mutable. Mutable. And the example, let's take the example of the string immutability. String s1 is equal to new string in brackets, double quotes Pune, and if we concat s1 concat to the in double quote Mumbai, and if we sys out, then the output will be shows only Pune, because we cannot make change in the string object. And the while we are concating, and we are not going to assign the variable to that. That's why the new objects are not created. But if we assign the variable to that, then the new object is created in the heap memory. And the in double quotes, because of the literal, if we write a string in the double quote, then it is called as the literal, and the string is created by the literal, so that the object is created in the scp. Scp means the string constant pool. And the due to new operator, the new object is created in the heap memory. Now let's take the example of the string buffer object. String buffer sb1 is equal to a string buffer new string buffer in brackets in double quote Pune, and the when we sb1 dot append to in double quotes Mumbai, then the out when we get sys out, then we will get the output of Pune Mumbai, because the string buffer objects are mutable. We can make changes in that, and the in that and the new objects is created is stored in the in the heap memory. In this way we explained the string immutability, and we can create we can create a we can create immutable class with by using final class. In that class, the class is final, so that we cannot we cannot create the subclass. And the and second point is the is the instance variables are final, so that we cannot make changes in the values of variables. This is all about the string immutability. Thank you.